son's Jeffrey.
I know Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. From Tiger Cove.
From the Tiger Cove. That's how I know Jeffrey.
Jeffrey, are you supposed to take that away from the exhibit?
You don't have your last name down.
But first you have to wind it up.
Oh, no, I don't have a picture of it here.
No, you could identify them.
Well, for the last 4,000 years we've been Nisenan, and prior to the Nisenans, there was people that lived here up to 8 to 14,000 years ago, and we don't even know their names. They were called the Ancients by the Nisenan, and they used large stone tools. And they would make this. This could have been an axe that they used for chopping something.
Cold, yeah.
Well, I didn't bring any axes to film.
Okay, turn around. Look at this. I love this.
This is great that you did this.
Oh, we really want to reach our, the community with this resource, and we're really hoping we can radiate out all the goodness that has come this way. We've gotten so much support.
There's something about
A mile and a quarter, it wouldn't be more than that. The long part of it is the stopping and talking. I mean, it might take an hour, but it's not because the mileage is there. It's just because you stop and talk and stop and talk and stop.
Oh, okay.
That sort of thing. But it's not a long in terms
The
of
only reason why
miles.
I'm asking is the fact that my husband and I are part of the classroom.
Mile trail is just part of the trail. Would still, I don't think we'd hit 2 miles. I mean, it's not real long. You'd have to do a couple loops or something in order to get. What's your usual minimum? 5 miles or something?
6.
Oh, 6.2. Yeah.
That's 11 kilometers.
Oh, yeah.
10
10 to 11
on off push, but
So
11 and more.
it's about 6.2 miles. That's what we really gauge ours to.
Yeah. When on the trail. You might be able to come up with something like that.
That's the other problem here. We're happy.
Well, yeah, you can always grade it. I mean, we can grade them. And if somebody sees like it's a 2
right.
it's a 2 plus or 3 plus, then people go.
Yeah.
The people who are walkers or hikers.
Yeah. Who wouldn't mind to have a little.
Yeah, we just went to.
Vista and walk up in the.
Like an interesting walk. I would have liked to do that. Like I've done that
Well,
myself.
the walks are free.
Hi.
Unless you.
Underneath?
No. You can use these without the paper on. There you go. Now it's coming through the paper.
If you come by later on, I had a notebook here. If you're interested in taking classes like that, we are going to be offering classes. And, if we
feel for where the edges are.
Can I do this now,
You get
Chris?
the whole thing.
Yeah, I'll let you wear this one part and do it.
There you go. Come on over here, too.
Chris, I can't see you when you're so close.
It's 10 minutes till. Oh, I want to get, wait, I want to get my money.
I give you a credit.
On what?
On your thing that you have in there.
What do I have in there? It's mine. I don't think I have anything in there.
I got here saying, where do you do it? I didn't hit it.
You're now watching his every step.
Look at the snowmobile guy. Like, let's be cool.
In the one with the gate?
Ooh, look at all these. Neat rocks.
Uh-huh.
Oh, cool. This is my mom's. All these are my mom's. My mom brought them. Mama, look.
Where's that bird? I gotta find the bird is.
Quite my father.
Oh my gosh.
Only takes one black ball. There's that probationary period.
Waiting to draw the winners! We're delaying the first one because of the flurry of good job. We have 3 winners right now at the last minute. Yes, you get to choose your prize and your name will be. We're going to get someone who didn't buy a ticket because I don't want to draw because I bought a ticket.
She moved a wall or two
Rock on there.
because you put it in the wrong place.
Draw for prize and skate. I know, volunteer. Professional volunteer. You're rolling. See here. I can send this in. Is that it? No, wait. That's because you have his more. I know we have.
Yeah, be sure to take a look in here.
All right.
Is that you? Yay! The second winner! Yes! Don't worry, you'll have another chance. The second winner is Lauren Jones! Lauren, come here! Come here! You want a prize? Come here, come here! Nice place you got here.
Nice place you built.
And the third winner this hour is dun, 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 Leslie! All right. Where is she?
And your phone number? It's 878-01.
Have everybody else here. Yeah. And they have
Well, this is in February of 1990, Linda and I started thinking about this, and in only not even two years, this miracle has happened. And I don't know if any of you know about how it's happened, but we wrote a grant to the State Office of Environmental Education. We got $11,000. And with only $11,000, thanks to the California Conservation Corps' free labor, we were able to buy all the supplies that you see to create these two wonderful buildings and do the exhibits inside. Although we were must say, a lot of the exhibits inside were thanks to people coming out of pocket and some support to other groups like the Placer County Fish and Game Commission. Our road was paid for by Hewlett Packard Corporation, and they also paid for the small parking lot we have for school buses. But our goal here is to teach the children of Placer County to be good stewards of the land. Teach them to live as if they plan to stay, right? So already we're getting school groups calling in and making reservations for the coming year. And we've had docents train over the last 4 months who will be leading school groups all through the year. So if any of you are interested in becoming docents and helping us provide environmental education to the students of Placer County, please sign up over here because we're going to start in January with another docent training. But this is really a happy day for everybody. It's been a long time coming. There's been this unbelievably wonderful core group that's put this together. I mean, I think I'll speak for everybody. I hope we love each other. It's just been a wonderful, wonderful experience.
How big a group is it?
Our core group, I'd say there's about 12, 15 of us. Yeah. That I think together we work magic. So, right. Anyway, this is Linda Desai. I'm Leslie Warren. Maybe some of the other steering committee members want to speak, or does anyone have anything else they want to say today? Lydia? No. Lydia! Lydia's never lost her words. I'm just proud of everybody who worked so hard.
Being the steering committee person in charge of the library, I'd like to donate this to all the docents because this is a story of what we're after.
Yeah.
If you're familiar with Dr. Seuss's book, but if not, go in the library and read it.